YIZHAN 48 megapixels 4K soldering microscope. Stop squinting at circuit boards and start seeing in 4K. With a massive 48 megapixel sensor and 60 frames per second speed, the YIZHAN microscope eliminates lag and blur, giving you a crystal clear, real-time view of every tiny component. Unlike cheap digital scopes, this 150x C-mount lens is designed for pros. It gives you the perfect working distance, meaning you have plenty of room to maneuver your soldering iron and heat gun without ever bumping into the lens. Whether you want to project onto a large HDMI monitor for the whole lab to see, or plug into your PC via USB to record and measure your work, this system handles it all. It is the ultimate tool for documenting repairs and creating content. Don't guess, know for sure. From inspecting BGA chips to fixing broken traces, this industrial-grade setup turns microscopic problems into easy fixes. Upgrade your bench and work faster, smarter, and with zero eye strain. Buy link is available in my ID needs deliver bio and description.